This is Using Commas, Part 3. Today we are going to focus on using commas between combined sentences. When you have two complete sentences and you have joined them with the conjunctions and, but, or, for, nor, so, or yet, you need a comma before the conjunction. Here's your example. Lenny claims that he wants to succeed in college, but he has missed classes all semester. Notice there's a comma after college because you've got the conjunction but. Yet you have two complete sentences. Lenny claims that he wants to succeed in college, and he has missed classes all semester. Two complete sentences joined with the conjunction but needs a comma before the conjunction. Here's another example with a different conjunction. No one volunteered to read his or her paper aloud, so the instructor called on Amber. We've got two sentences joined with a conjunction so we put the comma before that conjunction. Now you'll want to be careful not to use a comma when there's only one subject and two verbs, as in this example. Kevin will go partying tonight and forget all about tomorrow's exam. We've got two things going on, but you do not need a comma here. Kevin will go partying tonight, and he will forget all about tomorrow's exam. You're not going to have a comma because there's two verbs, but only one subject. You'd have to have a subject before forget in order to use the comma before the conjunction. So be careful with that. Now, you try. Here's a sentence for you. The oranges in the refrigerator were covered with blue mold, and the potatoes in the cupboard felt like sponges. Where would you put the comma? If you said you'd put one after mold, then you are correct, because what we have here are two complete sentences. The oranges in the refrigerator were covered with blue mold, and the potatoes in the cupboard felt like sponges. And they are joined with the conjunction and, so we put the comma after mold. Here's another one. The whole family searched the yard inch by inch, but never found Mom's missing wedding ring. Where would you put the comma? Alright, now this one was a tricky one because you wouldn't put a comma. This sentence is correct. What we've got here is one subject. The whole family is doing two things. Searching the yard and finding, or in this case not finding, Mom's missing wedding ring. So we do not need a comma. If, however, it had a subject, another subject, the whole family searched the yard inch by inch, but they never found Mom's missing wedding ring. Now you've got two complete sentences. The whole family searched the yard inch by inch, and then they never found Mom's missing wedding ring. Since you've got two complete sentences and they're joined by the conjunction but, you would put a comma there. But since in our original sentence it did not have the second subject, it only had one subject, you did not need a comma in that sentence. Here's another example. You try it. The hot dogs at the ballpark tasted delicious, but they reacted later like delayed time bombs. Where would you put the comma? If you said after delicious, you are correct because we do have two complete sentences. The hot dogs at the ballpark tasted delicious, and they reacted later like time bombs. Those are both complete sentences joined with the conjunction but. Alright, last one. The car squealed down the entrance ramp and sped recklessly out onto the freeway. Where would you put the comma? If you said that this sentence is correct, then you are right. We only have one subject, the car. It's doing two things. It squealed and it sped, but there's only one subject, so no comma. And that concludes the lesson on combined sentences.